Hi there, folks, and welcome to the What Solutions for this week's The Daily Rigour, issue number 272. So, in a press conference yesterday evening, the Prime Minister said that the spread of the Omicron variant of coronavirus appears to be doubling every 2 days. So, there's now been 3,137 cases. So, how many cases should we expect by the end of next Sunday? So on Saturday night there was 3,137 cases, so in 2 days' time that would be the end of Monday. We double that figure to get 6,274. 2 days after that would be the end of Wednesday, so if we double again then that's going to be 12,548, and if it doubles again that would then be Friday, and the end of Friday it would be 25,096, and then 2 days on from that would be the end of Sunday, which is what the question asked for, and if we double again that's 50,192. So onto our business story. So Aldi have their competition where there's cash prizes and bars of their chocolate, and a mum found one of the £5,000 golden tickets. Bar question here is, how much are the jackpot tickets worth? So there's 20 vouchers worth £5,000, so that's 20 lots of 5,000, which is £100,000, and the total prize fund is 150,000. So if we take that off, we're left with a 50,000 jackpot figure to be shared equally between 5 tickets. So the jackpot tickets are worth £10,000. So good luck for any of you buying one of those bars of chocolate. So onto our technology story, and I love these kind of stories. Top 7 Google searches in the UK for 2021. So for the first question, square root of 25 is 5. So the letter of the alphabet is going to be E. So the most Googled search in the UK for 2021 was in fact the Euros, the European Championships, probably to do with something with England getting so far in it, but also Scotland were there too, of course. So 2 to the power of 4 is 16, 3 times 4 is 12, so that's P and L. So second most Googled term is the Premier League. So minus 2 add 5 is 3, 30 divided by 6 is 5, so it's going to be C and E. And that's going to be Christian Eriksen, of course the player that, that had a heart attack on the pitch at the Euros. So number 4, square root of 9 is 3, so that's C. And then 2 times 11 is 22, so that's going to be V. So for number 4, we were looking for COVID vaccine. So of course the first vaccine was issued last December, so that'd be a whole year of Googling, wouldn't it? So 8 times 2 is 16, which is P. 4 squared is also 16, which is also P. So this one is going to be Prince Philip. And for number 6, 6 take away negative 7 is 13, which of course is M. 2 cubed is 8, which of course is H. So that's going to be the former Health Secretary Matt Hancock. And number 7, 45 divided by 9 is 5, which is E. 3 times 6, which is 18, which is R. And this is the US Open tennis champion Emma Raducanu. So well done if you get any of them right, folks. So on to our final story, our money story. I love these kind of stories. So the savings challenge, where you save 1p in the first day of the year, 2p in the second day of the year, all up to £3.65 on the 365th day of the year. So 1 pence in the first day, 2 pence in the third day, 3 pence in the 2 pence in the second day, 3 pence in the third day, all the way up to £3.65 in the last day of the year. So first of all, this would take ages to add up in your calculator, and the chances of making a mistake with that are quite high, I would say. So there must be a better way, I hear you ask. Well, it's something called the summation formula. So in maths we've got this cool wee formula which lets us add up consecutive numbers. So n times n plus 1 divided by 2, where n is the number of days. So if n is 365 in a year, it's going to be 365 times 365 plus 1 divided by 2. So 365 plus 1 is 366. So it becomes 365 times 366 divided by 2. And if we times those two together in the calculator, we will get 133,590, which we then divide by 2 to get 66,795. But of course that's in pence, so if we divide by 100 to change into pounds, it gives us an answer of £667.95. How cool is that? And there you have it, folks, our what solutions for this week's Daily Rigour. Stay tuned for next week's edition, when we're going to be looking at more stories from the news of the week and the numbers behind them. But in the meantime, thanks for watching, and bye for now.